Hey, Jojo.
What?
Where are we going?
Vacation.
Where?
To the Bahamas.
Oh yeah.
Bahamas.
Oh yeah. Where are we going? Are we going? Where are we going?
Not the Bahamas. We're going to Crystal Springs.
Oh yeah. Mad, where are we going?
It sounds the same though.
Yeah. You guys excited?
I guess.
Yes.
What?
I guess.
Yeah. Where should we leave you here?
Well, she doesn't know what
Oh
to
gosh, I
expect.
look
yeah?
like Skibbity Toy.
Jojo, how old are you?
5.
Matt, how old are you?
9.5.
9.5?
9.75.
What about you? How old are you? Oh.
42.
Oh. Ask Jack. Here.
Jack, how old are you? You're 8 months, bro.
What is he playing with?
His music thing. Here, show me. He has his music toy. Here you go, Jack.
Are you excited? You ready to go? Should we leave? Should we drive or should we just, what should we do? I think we should just stay right here. Let's just stay here.
I can't keep my feet under these things forever. We need to go on vacation. We packed all this stuff for nothing.
Packed it all for nothing? All right. What stuff is that? Let's see if we can see. Where's our stuff? There it is.
Small home.
All right. Let's head out. What do you think? Hey, what? What?
The car ride's not that eventful.
You need a B-roll.
Yeah.
Like this.
Get out of my face.
Why do they get Easter eggs?
They sell eggs, buddy.
You know who this song's about? This man eater. I'm the chewed up man.
And I'm the one that they gave birth to.
It's my latest victim.
Jack is just the chub baby.
You even see Jack?
Slap the baby butt. Jack.
All right, we're almost there.
4 minutes.
Should I drive super slow?
Extra fast, please. Extra fast. You went all this way for nothing?
Yeah, maybe I should just turn around and go home.
No.
It was a great road trip while it
Bye,
lasted.
guys. No.
Welcome to Crystal Springs.
That means
Welcome.
oh, this is Crystal Springs. Holy moly! What is that water park buildup?
In a race.
No, but like I saw a finish line.
No, it's not a finish line, but. Wild Turkey Way.
Why there's so much slow speed limits?
People could be walking. Kids could be running.
What the heck is this place?
Slapping my tears. What do you? I slapped the camera.
Make a right.
Come on, Jack, slap your booty. First things first, I'm a change of the living.
Oh, she want to get you a turn brake a lot.
think so.
That's what it's saying.
Yeah, but it's because we put in the address of the whole place. The sign was saying this way, I think.
By my young
Maybe
face,
it's
by my old skin, by my masters, round my bones, full of you. Now look to me, took to me, took me, bring up my heartache from the pain. Take out my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the veins, see the beauty through the. What do you say?
That's like a welcome
speaking
sign.
English. I was joking in the crowd, build on my rain up, from a cloud, falling like ashes to the ground. I'm not dealing with the ground. They never did, never been in, but I want to admit it. Let me just when the rain down. Like, Dad, why'd you turn it off?
Alright, we're going to the Grand Cascades. And then I'll drop you guys off, and then I'm going to the spa.
That's three. That's three.
It's okay.
This is the elevator.
Did you get
We're gonna
Jackie?
fall down. Hi. Get out. Turkey pie. We're at our store place. It smells like Italian ice.
Smells like Italian ice.
Yes, beautiful. Yes, it smells like spray.
Go ahead, Matt. See if you can get us in.
Bobo.
Go ahead, Jojo.
Can we at least share your bathroom?
What are you still doing on that thing?
We all go in here. The TV's still on. Wait, Dodo, where's your room?
You guys have a room and we have a room.
What is there?
I have to share
Jojo, what
one.
is there?
I'm sure there's a view.
A view of what?
A view of world.
A view of the world? Dude, I think it's one bathroom.
We are sharing this bathroom.
And Jack.
This is horrible. What?
This is horrible? Why?
This is your room, man. Yay!
Jojo gets the closet.
No! No, I got this relaxing.
Come here, Jojo. What do you think there, Jack? What do you think, Jackie Boom Booms? We got good taste in hotel rooms? Hey,
Yeah, that's really
Jackie
you like this
Pie!
place?
Jackie Pie! Jackie Pie! Super Jackie
I
Pie!
can stay here for 4 nights.
I could stay here for 10 years. How's the TV still on? We haven't looked in there. What's in there? Is this the blue one?
No, I think that's if we got another room.
I can't believe the kitchen's right here. It's so nice. It's like an apartment.
You can hold it at dinner. Oh, yeah, let's go that way.
No, she said I think that
This
I
way.
had.
Hello. How you doing?
Hey, how are you?
Good. Reservation for, I think, Jermaine.
Would you prefer being a train?
Yeah. Should I sit next to you? Who's that? And that.
Boys.
Hey, it's Jackman.
Oh,
Hey, 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 freaks. Hey, where are we going for breakfast?
Grandma's.
Grandma's basement?
Grandma's.
You guys ready to go to Grandma's basement for breakfast? Spot looks good right here.
Look, honestly, that's the daddy.
Oh no.
Look, honestly, that's you.
We need this part.
Okay.
Can I sit across from you? Can I just sit across from you, please?
You get to sit next to Jack,
Yeah.
just like you wanted.
Can I sit across from you? That's good, right? Sit across from you? That's for you.
There you go.
Thank you.
Anybody need anything to drink?
Yeah, a sweet iced tea.
Unsweetened?
Sweet.
Like sweet would be Snapple.
Sure.
All right.
I want pancakes, but not nutty yet.
Hey, Jack.
Alright. We just did.
Oh, what are you guys doing?
Watching sunset.
What sunset?
That sunset.
That one? That one. What? Hey, Jack, you have a camera in your face.
Baby Jack, Jack, Jack.
How you like it?
You can see every pore on my face.
There's Daddy with the sunset. Oh, and Mommy, the love of his life.
This creep.
And JoJo.
You going to bed, Jack?
I hope so.
Jack, tell us how old you are. Not in pounds, how old are you?
Oh. Oh.
Bless you. I think on this memory card I have, I don't know if it's a boy or a girl. Hope it's not a girl. Because girls smell, right? Like feet. Did she just lock us out? This one's trouble. This one's trouble.
I made Jack laugh.
Did you? Nature Trail entrance. Here we go, baby. Oh, there she is, Minnie Mad. Hey, come here. How's your vacation going, sweetheart?
It's Joseph's vacation.
Yeah, you happy to just get some time alone with Daddy? Do you want to eat some garlic mustard?
Dad, have you ever seen the world's biggest fox? I mean, bat.
What is that?
Squirrels. The world's biggest bat. It's called fox bat. It's this big.
Have you ever eaten one?
They're almost as large as a human.
Oh my goodness, what kind of turd is that? That's a bear turd. That looks huge, right? Or is that one of yours? Who do you think did that?
A bear.
Definitely wasn't one of those little baby deers. It's got so much corn in it and berries.
So it has to be.
All right, we better watch where we go, huh?
How can you tell what's in the poop?
Just look at it. You tired yet? Yeah? We only have gone about a half a mile. You ready to give up?
I just want
Look at that. What do you got down there? Train tracks?
Hello, world. Walking with us.
Yeah, this is our paved nature trail.
It's not much of a nature trail, if you ask me.
Yeah, the rich people hotel sold us on it. What'd you call it, a luxury nature trail?
Yes.
Mad. What'd you learn? What do we do if you see a bear?
Make yourself big.
Make yourself
Start
big?
Singing.
Louder.
And clapping your hands.
And what? What are you gonna do?
You gotta back away slowly.
What are you gonna sing at the bear?
These beautiful things that I've got.
So that's, all right, pretend I'm a bear. What are you gonna do?
These beautiful things that I've got. Please stay. I want you out in your God. Don't.
You're not supposed to approach the bear. No way. No way. They're gonna make us go underneath a railroad track? Hold on, let me get the view of this place. Holy cow.
Daddy!
We didn't find you a bear yet.
I don't need a bear. I don't want a bear.
Big teddy bear.
I'm hungry. I'm thirsty.
Oh, you can't even take a mile, you whiny little twerp. How am I supposed to go on super hikes with you? Whoa, what is this?
That's bird
It's a
feathers.
bear ate the bird. Let's walk around
We're
it.
going to encounter a fox.
The biggest fox ever.
I wasn't ready for this. I don't know what to do when we encounter a fox. Do we run?
I don't know. Is that a giant, massive fox poop?
Yeah!
I saw a fox.
So you ran after it?
Is it a sign or is it a warning? What do you think?
I think I'm scared. I don't want to get bitten by a fox. I don't want to get rabies. I can't do this. I feel like sadness and your joy. So you gotta carry me around. I'm even wearing the right shirt.
Go ahead, show me what you got.
Here I come.
You were sweaty before, just wait till you get to the top. Oh wow, this is some hill. Some hill, I wish they had an elevator. What did you call this, a 4-star luxury hike? How was that?
That was the worst ever. Bring me home.
Look at my heart rate. 156. We're not even halfway done. We're not even halfway done. We got so much more to go. We haven't even seen a muskrat yet.
I don't want to see anything. I want to go home.
What did we find? Whoa! You climb it? You're too tired. What?
3 different kinds of ladder.
But Charlie got a beautiful view.
Yeah. Like that.
Oh look,
Later.
this is a spot where they hit the golf balls. No, so we're 1.83 miles in. You giving up, girl?
Yes.
Well, I ain't giving you a piggyback ride.
One for it.
Oh, look at how nice this is. There's a lake up there. What's the matter?
I can't walk. I don't want
I thought this was so much fun. I thought you were having fun.
I wasn't. I did this for you, Dad. Set up my funeral.
All right, let's keep walking. Faster we move, faster we get back, right? Right? That's what they always say.
Can't move that fast.
We're approaching this beautiful lake. Actually, looks like a lake I'd like to jump in right now.
I'm a 9-year-old girl.
You having fun?
No, not at all. I just want to get back to the hotel room.
We might have to start over.
What?
Because we didn't hit the trails over here.
No, I am not starting over. I'm not starting over this crazy little trail.
Hold on. Should we call Mommy and see if she could see us? All right, let's see. I got you on the phone and I could see you up there. All right, Matt, that's a sign. We're almost there. Just 2 more miles.
2? Are you kidding me?
All right, we're probably gonna go into the lobby and get drinks.
Okay.
All right, we'll see you in a little bit. Bye.
Bye.
Dude, we're so close to the biosphere. It's right here. I'm talking about air conditioning. I'm talking about smart waters. Maybe a watermelon cup. Some beignets. Come on, girl, you got this. Go ahead. Maybe sweatiest people in here. Yeah. All right. Come on, we're almost there. Oh no, I lied. Oh no. Oh no, they don't open yet. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, look at this little staircase. How's that air conditioning feel? Let's go. Let's go to the coffee roasters. Come on. Come on. We're almost there. We're almost there. Got 2 of those. Oh yeah, she took them this morning.
Anything else for you?
What else are we gonna get? We just did the nature hike.
How was that?
Hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we were all excited. We were like, all right, let's go to the biosphere, but they were closed.
Yeah, they
Pretzel face.
And then we got Jojo. And then we got Mommy. Where did this kid come from?
I came from the slide.
Like and subscribe. Where are we?
I came from the slide.
Where are we?
We're at subscribe to watch more videos. So I guess what I'm saying on the water. That was awesome. Alright, shut up. Let's go underwater. Ready? This is so hard.
Where's my JoJo man? Don't drop it though. No, if you drop
Look where we are right now. I can. You can see yourself in the game. Oh, you want me to video you go now? Oh, yeah. Okay. Here, I'll see you. I'll go behind you, okay? No! JoJo! Please. I can.
You're a Jackie boy. When you were little.
Are you gonna say anything or are you just gonna hold it? Yeah. Hello, I want to
Looking down. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe and join our channel. Yes, science is All right, trip's over.
and but
You're all with us still, right? We got every one of you.
a girl or a boy.
All right, JoJo, what was your favorite part of this trip?
Going on the water slide.
All right, Matt, what was your favorite part of this trip?
Watching Cat in the Hat.
Jack, what was your favorite part of this trip?
Having
Pooping in my diaper.
Mommy, what was your favorite part of this trip?
Morning walks with Jack.
My favorite part was the awesome hike me and Madison did.
Almost died on that thing.
Well, here it is, just this whole thing.
Today doesn't feel as like awful out.
Name the
degrees today.
1 second, give me my glasses. Alright, what it is. I hate it.
Goodbye, Crystal Springs. Until next time. All right, mermaids out.
Okay, cheese.
You got a fast car.
Fast dog.
Eat wings of fun.
Remember when?
I'm holding it. Every day?
I remember we were driving in your car.